Once upon a time, there lived a young shepherd boy who looked after sheep near a village.
All right, my flock, time to move to the greener pastures over the hill. That's it, keep together now.
Every day is the same. I'm so bored.
To have some fun, the boy shouted loudly.
What happened? Where's the wolf?
It was just here, I swear!
There is no wolf here!
It was just a joke.
The next day, the boy played the same trick again. The villagers ran to help again.
Wolf, come quickly!
He must be lying again.
One day, a real wolf came, but this time, no one believed him. The boy shouted loudly.
A real wolf is here! Please help! I'm not lying! No, stop, please! Come back here! No one is listening! This is my fault!
People who lie again and again are not believed, even when they tell the truth.